Hi guys, so today we are going to solve the number 1 of the final examination in Fundamentals of Programming 1. So the question is, while purchasing certain items, a discount of 10% is offered if the quantity purchased is more than 1,000. If quantity and price per item are input through the keyboard, write a program and a flowchart to calculate total expense. 15 points for the flowchart and 10 points for the program. So let's try first the flowchart. So this is what I made for the flowchart. So first is we are going to put a terminator to start our flowchart. So a terminator box like this and put a start on it. And next is the data box. So this is the data box to put the equation. So we are going to first enter the quantity and the price of the certain product. So after we enter the quantity and the price of the certain product, next is we are going to calculate the total price of quantity and product. So price times quantity is equals total. So the total of the amount of a certain product is get by multiplying the price and the quantity. So we forget to put a connector here. Like that. So after that we are going to get the discount. So to get the discount is we are going to put the 10% discount as said to the given problem here in the question. So 10% discount. 10% discount is equal to 0.1. That is the 10% discount in decimal point, 0.1. So the total of the price and the quantity is multiplied by 0.1 or 10% to get the total expense of a certain product. So total expense is total minus discount, that is how will you get the total expense. So next is the display output. After that you are going to enter and you will get the amount of the product that you bought in the market. So that is how you get the total expense of a certain product. And next is end, to end the program. And that is it for our flowchart. Next is the program. So we are going to now program the code here. So first is we are going to put the header file, include standard input and output, so stdio.headerfile.h. Next is the main function, so int main, open curly brackets, and the variable and quantity, and semicolon to terminate the program. Then the another variables, the float. So we're going to write rate, quantity, expense, and discount. So let's just put here a tab. Next is printf. So here we are going to say enter quantity. Enter price. let's say. Let's put here price. Enter price. So printf, then scanf, and %d because it is an integer. %d price. We're going to put here an ampersand to get here this the variable, and another printf. So let's say print. Here is the quantity. So let's say enter quantity. Enter price. Then scanf. %f because it is a float. Then quantity. Next is we are going to get the equation. So expense, expense is equal to price times quantity. Let's lower this one. Price times quantity. Then the discount, of course. So discount is equal to expense. So this one here, the price times quantity. To get that, to get the discount, we're going to minus the expense to the discount. So it's expense times 0.1 or 10%. Then if, let's say, if price is greater than 1000, printf, line break, total expense is total expense, like that. Or else that %f for the float. Then expense. Next is another, closing curly brackets, and another printf for the final one, which is the else total expense. Total expense and copy this, paste it here. This is discount, and here is the expense. close, return 0, close, polygraph run. So I think this is an error here. So we're going to put here else. Discount 0.1. Let's try to remove the term enter. Discount, expense, discount expense minus. I think we're going to that. And we forget to put a comma here. Let's try. That is it. So enter price, let's say 900. 1. Let's not try to put 1,000 here. Let's try to put the price, so 900. 1. Terminate, port into VPI, determine the signal level. Let's see. Let's say 1,100. Quantity 1. I think we have an error here. Quantity 1,000. Rate 1. Total expense 1,000. Same. So let's say more than 1,000. 1,001. Now let's say 1,001. 1,001. Then the rate is 1. So it is 900 because we have a discounted. It is discount as 100.